There's no point 4x4ing if you can't go hard, and the Ranger Raptor is extreme. It can handle the toughest situations. Let me show you. The race bred suspension is amazing. These Fox racing shocks are genius. When the going gets tougher, they literally increase the dampening at the extremes, so you can take on something like this without shaking your teeth out. Hill descent control takes the guesswork out of a technically tricky 4x4 situation. The Raptor literally does all the work for you. It's an awesome piece of technology. It can do everything from keeping you in your lane to averting a collision with AEB. But forget bitumen. Get back to where there are no roads. The terrain management system can conquer virtually anything, from mud to desert running to rocks. Just a flick of the dial and you've got exactly the right traction setting for the environment. Power always being delivered to the wheels that need it. That's what the Ranger Raptor really is, the ultimate thrill ride. There's not another experience remotely like it.